Half asleep across the floor, no destination anymore. The city faded into gray, while all the clocks look far away. Opened up a little glow, like a place I'd never known. Nothing waiting there for me, still it felt like something deep. And for a moment, everything slowed down. In the fridge light, standing still at 2 a.m. Nothing changed, but I could feel myself again. No answers, no signs from above, just the quiet hum of ordinary love. In the fridge light, 10 seconds passing by, like a tiny universe hidden in the night. Cold air drifting through the room, tiny stars in silver blue, empty shelves in silent space somehow put me in my place. Not a miracle to find, not a message in disguise, just a heartbeat in the dark and a small electric sky. Maybe every now and then the world is softer than it seems. Maybe all we really need is one night inside a dream. In the